and 2 female.
If you were the ultimate life form, how come you need your rocket shoes to run fast while Sonic doesn't?
And how to do a side effect like a horse for the animals.
Ooh, he's going right in with that one, isn't he?
Yeah, it's doing the horse side effect, isn't it?
Yeah, Shadow. Why do you need rocket shoes to run fast?
What a presumptuous question from this Brandon person. I'm not just fast because of my rocket shoes, Brandon. I'm the ultimate life form, and you would be wise to respect my power.
Oh, he's actually getting a little angry.
Do you think he's upset because it's maybe a little true?
Yes, it's true.
No, it's not true. Tails, you couldn't even come close to beating me if you tried, especially if...
Guys, why is Shadow glowing red?
And why she's doing horse sound effect.
Especially if I...
Oh, no, I've seen this before.
Chaos? Ah!